Are you a coach, consultant, trainer, or are you trying to establish yourself as a coach? Save yourself 5 years of hard work by listening to what I am trying to say. There are 3 major challenges which the coaching industry is going right now. Number 1, you paid lakhs of rupees being a coach, but you're not able to generate consistent business for yourself. Number 2, you don't know whether to hire a digital marketing agency or have an internal team to do that. And number 3, you have gone through multiple group coaching programs to improve your sales and marketing, but you have not got any hand-holding and you are still left alone. So you have 2 options now. Either do everything on yourself, spend 5 to 7 years of your time and lakhs of rupees experimenting new things, or follow my business bounce back formula which has done magic for me and my business. Hi, my name is Alok. I'm the founder of the Business Utopia. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband of one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, a postgraduate in business administration from University of Singapore. I'm an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster and a business enthusiast for the last around 20 years. And I'm here helping all the small and medium enterprise people, the real business owners, come out of their real business challenges, grow in multiple level of ROIs and live the life of their choice. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and register for this workshop, because I'm going to decode the learnings which I have applied on my business. Have grown successfully since long.